Welcome to MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Beautiful boat here. We've got the full hull Horizon gel coat here with the white stripe. As we move down the side of the boat, nice big tower up there. This does have the extended sunshade that extends all the way back to the stern, especially on those hot days, keeping it nice and shady. And as we walk back to the stern, nice big swim platform here. This does have an automated submersible swim step that extends down into the water. We've got your dynamic running surface, got the 2 trim tabs on either side, and underwater lights. And this boat's going to be equipped with the twin 250 Bravo 3 Mer Cruisers. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside our brand new 2023 310 SLX. Back here at the sun pad, nice big area to hang out and lounge around with your friends and family. Here I've got it set up in a couple of different positions, all the way down, or you can have a backrest up here as well. Interior, we've got the dune interior with the, as well as the dune sea deck here. Nice big entryway into the boat. Just want to point out a couple features here. We've got a big built-in cooler that's self-draining. Freshwater rinse off. Here's where you're going to control your submersible swim platform going in and out of the water. And then we've got another great feature here, getting in and out of the boat. You're not stepping on your upholstery. You have a nice step down into the boat. As we make our way into the entertainment part of this 310, nice area here, nice wraparound seating. We do have a sink, and up here at the wet bar, this does come with a grill as well. And then underneath, we do have a refrigerator to keep those drinks nice and cold. Again, nice big tower here. We do have an area here for a sunroof. And then this sunshade does extend all the way back over the back seating area. Seats here, we've got cup holders all around. This has the upgraded sound system on it. It's Fusion audio, great sound quality on this boat. And the co-captain seating here. We've got a spot here for the co-captain and captain. Got a place for a couple of bodies there. And then these do have the flip-up bolster seats. As we're at the helm here, digital throttle and shift. We've got the joystick piloting. You can walk this boat basically sideways to the dock. Very nice maneuver when it's really windy out. And then up here we have a couple of different settings for your boat. You can set it up either way you want. Nice big 12-inch display screens from Simrad. Here I'm going to do engine diagnostics and then your chart plotting, but you can set this up however you would like. And then over here on the port side, got a big area down here for a head. I do like the aesthetics of having the sea deck continuing down into the head. Gives it a nice finish. And then a recessed glove box over here. Nice big windshield that does fold over. And then on those cold mornings here in Minnesota, we can have some almost complete coverage here on those windy days. As we walk into the bow, I didn't mention back there, but we do have one spot for a table and another here at the bow. Armrest, plenty of seating up here. This boat is a great boat for the lakes here in Minnesota for your friends and family. It's here at our store in Rogers. If you'd like to stop by, set an appointment, we'd love to show you around. Thanks.